Now that the first stage of processing is nearing completion, we are presented with the mask selection window, which will be shown shortly. In the mask selection window, you're presented a sparse point cloud, and you'll need to draw a mask around the area of interest, signifying the area that you'd like to construct the 3D model, digital elevation model, and texture mesh. Here is the mask tool, and as you can see, we've got a sparse point cloud. Double click the center of that point cloud to center it in the viewport. Navigate to the selection menu and choose point selection. Here you're going to draw a polygon around the area that you would like to process. Close that polygon, navigate back to the selection menu and choose add points inside polygon. At this point, you've created your mask and limited the processing to your area of interest. Save the selection info and exit. Now you are ready to proceed to the 3D model and digital elevation generation. I'm going to choose dense mode for this example to give us higher quality results. The trade-off here is it will take longer to process.